inside Lionel Messi's $17.6 million private jet. Messi spent $17.6 million to buy a Gulfstream V with a speed of 940 kilometers per hour and a maximum range of 12,000 kilometers. The jet has 2 bathrooms and a private kitchen. On long flights, the 16 passenger seats can be customized into 8 bays. The steps up and down the plane are engraved with the names of Lionel Messi, his wife Antonella, and their 3 sons Thiago, Matteo, Ciro. The tail of the plane has the number 10, the shirt number associated with Messi's entire career at Barcelona. Messi has quite a few luxurious collections. Owning such a luxurious jet does not surprise many people. Can you imagine living here in luxury?